नमस्कार, इंडियन एयरलाइंस की उड़ान 406 जो कि दिल्ली जा रही है उस पर आपका स्वागत है। उड़ान के मुख्य मेहमान एक कप्तान साइरस भरोचा है। दिल्ली तक की दूरी हम 1 घंटे 50 मिनट में पूरी करेंगे। यात्रियों से निवेदन है कृपया अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लें। धन्यवाद।
You don't follow cricket at all?
No, but I used to fly Indian Airlines with all these Sachin Tendulkar ji and all Kumble ji, Prasad ji,
How sweet you call them GG and all.
and Kamble
Kambli.
ji.
Huh.
I was like,
What was he doing in CID?
He acted in CID one episode.
Palmolive da Jawab Nahi?
That wasn't the dialogue.
No, then what was it? Oh,
It was a story.
acting,
Yes,
character?
yes.
Then CID.
Then
Then cut to all the films that you've done. The Rohit Shetty plays a very big role. He seems to
Yes.
cast both of you all actually.
Yes.
I have too many Maharashtrian friends. I've suffered. Dress up,
Yeah.
dress up, ice cream.
Kasata ice cream.
Kasat. Ah! Spot on!
All the passengers are requested to sit down. All the passengers are requested to sit down.
Then the one-on-one has to, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I told you, sit down.
वो तो बाजू वाली कर ही रही होती है. Sir, sit down, sir. Please do not open the hat racks. Passengers are requested to sit down.
What if the guy's trying to flirt? And then what do you do?
Nothing.
You put your middle finger a little higher? Cyrus says we were talking, interrupting our chat to have this silly
Yes.
podcast. I almost feel wrong. We shouldn't start this podcast. It's going so well.
It was going.
But you were telling me things which are not very mentionable. Well, they are, but it's grey area.
Yeah.
Because the country we live in, you have to be a little careful. I have two friends, Samay and Ranveer, who I've never met, and they're going through hard times at the moment. Not really. I think it's all over now. By the time you watch this, it'll be hopefully done.
Yeah.
You've not been on this India's Got Latent show.
I don't go to such shows.
But you've come to this show. That's much better.
No, this is better.
No, wait. Hang on.
No, I honestly, I don't want to start this on a very serious and this. No, but I somewhere feel that you all are influencers, right? And
I'm an out-of-work-
influencer is a प्रभावित करने वाला, यानी कि you get inspired, you want to follow that person. So when we speak that time, you need to be little
Careful.
Okay,
Damn it.
on a serious note.
That's about it. Show's over.
Yeah.
No. Let me first apologize. I'm so bad at this. 29 years I've been anchoring shows or this or that. And I should always begin with the name. But I forgot. Ashwini Kalsekar is here, by the way. But it'll appear. The name will appear.
I know that, I need an introduction because couple of his friends.
No, that's not fair.
All biggies have come
Huh.
and all big names
Actually,
have
that's
come.
not fair. I'll tell you why.
And then he says that, you don't need introduction because everybody knows you. But
No,
today,
why?
he actually took my
Ashwini,
name.
Why? Because I forgot to introduce them. So I have to think of a way out of it now. It's like that. We're so bad at what we do. This is such an informal thing. You forget all the formality you were taught before. But I'll tell you quite honestly, we also put the name everywhere, so it's not a problem. And don't forget, there are people who don't watch TV who watch this.
Yeah.
We have huge Bulgaria, for example. 50% of our audience is Eastern Europe. So lots of people are watching for the first time.
Hi, I'm Ashwini Kalsekar. This is a better way.
Is it?
Why don't you
Yeah,
introduce
that's a better
yourself?
way. Done.
You say, hi, I'm Cyrus Brocha.
Hi, I'm Cyrus Brocha.
And hi, I'm Ashwini Kalsekar.
And we have no idea what we're doing on the Cyrus Says podcast.
Yes.
But let me introduce you first. I've done little research. I wanted to know a little bit because I always want to find out more about than just the acting, which of course is important. But the fact is, you were working in Cathay Pacific.
No. I was in IC, Indian Airlines.
Indian Airlines.
Yes.
Cathay Pacific. Indian Airlines. Okay.
Indian Airlines.
I'm
we were the whole.
now it's a Parsi-owned company. Yeah. Also, that when you started Shanti, you were still working.
Yes.
My mom was also with BOAC, but in the 60s. It was called BOAC then. So we are from the same tribe.
Sometimes
So she used to tell... Sorry, go on.
Sometimes I miss those days. It was so much of fun.
No. So when her friends, colleagues, when I was younger, used to come over and the bitching that would happen about customers and passengers rather and all that.
Yeah.
So much fun to hear. And then so I learned how to behave on planes. Ashwini, I've never disrespected anyone on a plane.
Yes.
Although I'm a complete truth. I behave very nicely once I'm on a plane. I always say please and thank you. I never ask for things. I know they are stressed.
Yes.
I treat them because of my mom. I picked up everything because they hate the obnoxious customers.
Absolutely.
And all kinds of things happen back where the curtain is,
drawn.
A little bit of business class added
No.
to.
That nobody
come
does.
on, Indian Airlines.
No.
Welcome to
nobody does
India.
that.
Look, mana nahi hai.
No. That
Never?
doesn't happen. No.
You never would do. There must have been one really bad passenger, somebody.
One, there was so many. There was. I used to be very fit and fine then. I used to.
What's
look
wrong
very
with you now?
nice.
You're just fishing for compliments?
No.
I see. I'm married to a woman who's always violent in a negative way. So I'm not used to this. It's almost like flirting. And I have to go back to how.
No.
I have to think,
But-
brocha, woman, talk nicely.
Yaar, when you're like 21 and all that time, you're
Arey,
definitely.
we are 21 only. What do they
So-
care?
And there was this guy, we were, I think, probably one of those Sri Lanka flight or something, because Bombay base, every
Oh, you
different base.
went to Colombo?
Yes,
Oh,
but we
nice.
would not get off because it used to be hub and spoke flight, and carrying for whatever passengers, or maybe connecting flight. I don't remember because I resigned in '97. When you're in that age, and then somebody line maroing you on board, there's somebody's trying to flirt.
What would they
with you.
say?
Nothing. He was going on giving up because every section has a different set of rows that you're serving
yeah,
to,
yeah, yeah.
right? The rear, the aft galley, the center galley, and the front is of course business class. So probably that he was in my area, and then he kept calling for water. Then he would give me the khali glass back, and then again tongue.
So he
and
wanted to
again tongue.
interact, basically. He'd keep
No,
saying.
it's just that time.
Would
passed
he
because-
call you sister?
No, excuse me, man.
No, because people start in a really strange
No,
way and then
only
they.
that used to happen when we
Ma'ams,
used to
huh.
take sister is used to happen when they used to do Trivandrum or Kochi to Russell Khaimah, Sharjah.
Okay.
Those
The Gulf and Kerala connect.
Yes. So those guys used to call sister beer. They used to have.
Vishnu's from Kerala. Just be careful if you're making any statement which is generic.
No,
and
but what they
stereotype.
loved on board, I was like young, and I said, "Ki, what kar-" They used to ask us for the beer can, of course, the international flight, and we would serve Dubai and Sharjah.
Beer can with beer inside.
No, beer
Can.
full of beer and a miniature of whiskey. They would combine that.
Wow,
They would,
chasing.
Yeah,
It's called chasing. I love. I
I
hate
didn't know.
alcohol. It's a bad thing. Yeah.
yeah, chasing.
It's
It's
a way to
called.
save money. This is a very Indian thing. To save money, when we were young, not we, when other people who drink like Abe, they would do this to save money. So you buy beer and you chase it with a small, basically add a peg to your glass. That's
So
it.
what happens?
You get drunk faster and you save money. And then you
But
go out,
why
then
would
you
you
chat
save
with
money
girls.
when we are serving? Like,
You can't talk to girls unless you have enough in your body, right? So
no, on flight we are serving you free, no?
But they don't understand. It's the habit is there, na?
Ah.
I don't know. But then what happened?
Then nothing. They would get high. They would
And-
say
and
sister,
then-
sister, and then one of our seniors, she said, ki, it's like sister, one more, sister, one more. You were like, sister, sister. So I said, he's asking. He's already drunk. So she said, tell him bar is closed. We've closed the service. So I went and we politely told him, I said, sorry, sir, the service is closed. Can I get you a soft drink or something? I said, sister, please. So this senior of mine went and shouted at him. What? Told you. I should not say like this, but she actually scolded like a mother
You
would
have
scold
to,
a child.
You have to. And the other thing I hate about what we do, our people, is this begging. In the face. Last. I don't know why because that they think is the best negotiation ever.
Yeah.
I mean, what's the point here? The rules don't apply if you go.
Yeah.
And then they feel hurt and all that you've really betrayed them. You've met them 5 minutes ago. Imagine.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
But I was very, we are still
Did you meet
friends.
Murli on flight?
No.
No.
Murli, I met
Was he
him.
winking?
No.
He's-
I just spoke. I told you
He's
what
not
kind
like
of
that
a
at
guy-
all.
yeah.
She just told me offline. He's the most nice Tamiz sort of.
Extra Tamiz.
Extra Tamiz doesn't even. Let's tell the driving story quickly so that
Yeah,
makes
so
sense.
first when I love driving, I love cars.
Yeah. I'll use the galis if you're feeling uncomfortable.
No.
You were saying when you drive like Aisha and me. We are both crazy when we drive.
I don't even jump the signal kind of a person. I'm very that way, very strict. I used to
You're a
play
law-abiding
cop, na?
citizen.
Law-abiding, matlab I used to play a cop in the show called CID.
CID. Yeah. Don't
So
worry, I'm
mujhe
not
aise-
that bad. I do my research
Yeah,
some
so
extent.
I said, no. I have to follow all the rules.
But is
and
that the reason?
regulations.
Because I played a cop? If I played a murderer, for example, I mean,
No, but
that's a
I
bad
said, no, I used
correlation.
to think that, I'm like, again, that influencer thing.
Empathy.
Yeah. Some people are not really good when they are driving and they suddenly
Ashwini,
forget that there
your
are other
Hindi is
people.
horrible. They are choots. Go
Yeah.
on. Let
So-
me explain. Other
And
people won't
then I
understand.
used to react. I mean, it is normal. I'm
Of
a
course.
Marathi ladki, yaar.
Marathi ladki or not, you have to react. You also. I mean,
And then I would use certain verbs and adjectives, and then which Murli.
प्यार से बोलो. तुझे
नहीं.
आईची
नहीं.
प्यार. What is the exact? I forget the intonation.
So Murli never liked that. Once or twice, he
Tell
actually.
the setup, no, so that you're abusing MCBC sort of stuff really bad. And what happens to him?
I know he wants to. He's just quiet. You know. He
The
just
first
suddenly
time when you
goes-
now you don't do it, but the first
No, he
time,
knew me before that. We were friends.
So he must have
knew
seen
what
it now.
Yeah. He's
So-
seen me.
so-
But when we started dating and now we are a couple and then
proprietorship.
whatever.
Ah.
No, boss, this is not allowed. This is not good. You know, he tried to tell me.
It's very Taliban-like,
Yeah. No, he
telling
told me
the
very
woman not
softly
to
or
abuse.
whatever.
What the hell,
He
Murli?
said it's not correct, you know, and why are you losing your temper? He says, you see, accident hota hai to samne wale ki galati ki wajah se hota hai. You're always good or whatever. So calm down. Ye.
No, but if some rickshaw cuts you really badly, you really bang the car, you're entitled to get a little pissed.
No, I mean, yeah, but that time also he says that, you know,
What's his story then?
then calm down, speak to, I mean, if the car is banged, then get down and see what has happened and, you know, try and,
So no conflict.
you shouldn't raise your voice and use,
What is he? Is he human? What a
he
lovely
is.
human being.
Yeah.
This is like he's
a
the
very
most.
calm
He's like a
person.
male Mother Teresa or something.
Yeah. And he doesn't even allow, like, you know, okay, fine. Now the windows are rolled up, so you cannot give gali inside the car also. You cannot react inside the car also. You cannot even, you know, highway pe jate waqt aisa ki, you know, you just give that look to that guy. No.
Ashwin, does Murli realize that it'll come back to haunt him? It's called karma. Because then you're so angry and it's going here, and then you explode in the house.
No, I don't.
But it will happen.
Whatever that I was.
How do you take
like,
it out of the system? I find
I
it's
don't.
easiest if you just abuse.
I just do epoxy in the house.
What is that?
Epoxy resin. I do a lot of tables and floors and all in the house.
Instead of saying MCBC, you lay the table.
No, epoxy is
Papa, are you
kind of
Parsi?
an art.
You appear Parsi. What is epoxy?
Epoxy resin is a kind of an art.
Okay.
You know?
Where you make tables.
Yes. I mean, like this table, I can, with using the epoxy resin, I
Don't
can make it
criticize
into
the
a...
furniture because we have very...
No, I can make it into a marble and, you know, there are different things. You can Google.
No, I
So
feel like
do that.
abusing.
And I have my two babies, my two pets. So
Yeah.
I can...
Bull English Mastiff and
and
Labrador.
Lab.
What beautiful dogs. Yeah.
Yes,
Really
Gabbar and
so lucky.
Samba.
Now, I don't feel like talking about your career. I want to talk about the dogs and driving.
Even, yeah.
They are very passionate subjects
Yeah,
for me.
even
Both.
I
Both.
love driving.
Yeah.
Murli will not go 80 ka speed se. Beyond 80, you cannot
This
go.
Murli, I want Murli to come on this show.
Please tell
He's
him.
like from some 18th century kind of good human being, you know.
No, he actually does
Does he
this
cure
when-
leprosy or something? What's his real story behind acting?
He's a very calm, shant guy.
what a beautiful soul. I've never met someone like this.
Yeah, he's very calm.
With no khunnas towards
With
other
no
people.
No kunness.
Wow, that's just
I think he reads a lot. He reads like as if tomorrow.
But is he
his
driving
exam.
and reading at the same time? Because
He
he's not
never
feeling-
drives. He's a very bad driver.
Oh, he's a guy who's been abused all the time. That's
Maybe,
why.
yeah.
Abhi samajh mein aa gaya.
So, you know, you cannot give that khunnas wala look also. So,
That's too much, huh?
Yeah.
How do you? I don't know. I salute you. Honestly, I salute you. I thought started a new thing. See
So
if you
only
can.
when Sayyid is there, Sayyid is my...
The professional driver.
Yeah, my Man Friday.
Then you'll go berserk, is it?
Then I am like, I just told you what I say and all.
But why can't you say it, Ashwini? It won't change anything.
No, I don't want
It's also part of your personality.
Because Murli
Don't mess
said-
with her.
Murli has said not
God,
to.
he'll go mad. He'll go to hibernation for 6 months. क्या बोला तूने podcast पे? Why you
What?
mad?
Any which way, when he reads, goes and sits in the study and he'll read.
What is he reading?
I tried once, tried to read his book. He reads non-fiction and fiction, of course, and biographies and everything. Biography is me. You know, it's at least you know what you're reading
Fair.
about,
Yeah,
you
you're
know,
being
and who you're
inspired.
reading about.
Or lack of that.
So once I was like in the night after my painting and all that time I used to paint. So I was painting. That time
Wow.
babies were not there.
Painting, what's it called? Asphyxia, Samfusia.
Epoxy resin.
That's the word.
Yeah. And
What is the word from? Which language? It's English
I
only.
don't know, English only.
Okay.
Yeah. Arey, all these industrial floors and walls, it's a very, very
Can I be honest?
sustainable.
Mundi, don't mind. After I discovered porn and live sport, I don't have interest in anything else. I can't lie.
Oh, it's like, you know, you don't know epoxy resin much and I don't know cricket. So that's where we don't
My
match
wife
otherwise.
takes me when we were dating out because she's an artist and aesthetically inclined on me. I should look. You know, I've devised this whole gallery thing. If you don't like watching art, I figured out you count to 9 and then move. Because there are lots of pieces to watch. So, you know, ginke, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nah, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's how I did it. I fooled her for a little while. Then I couldn't fool her anymore. I called Kunal. Now you substitute for me. He goes, I have to sit. It's a different relationship. Different relationship. Let's get back to yours. No, I'm just saying, sometimes
But
people
then
are so
it's-
oddly matched. Yeah.
Yeah, I think most. And only the odd
only
couples
discover
only.
later.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they survive because they're oddly matched. That's true.
It is, we both of us are so contrast that, you know, the moment I'll say कि अरे
अरे।
ठंड लग रहा है, he'll say where, कहाँ गर्मी है, and suddenly he'll zip up or maybe wear a hoodie or something. I said क्या
So why
हुआ?
is he unzipped?
No, I mean wear a jacket or
Only
a
it's just a
hoodie.
joke. Don't start reading. No tantrum. Next room.
Coming back to that one day,
Huh.
I tried to read one of his book and I fell asleep, yeah,
But
nicely.
any idea what subject?
The first 4 pages only I had to open dictionary 500
My God.
times. So, you know. And you know what? When he's angry, he uses those words on me.
The big words.
Yeah.
So you're going MCBC, तुझे आईची.
No, I
and he's going with,
I never speak when angry. Maybe like साल में एक बार फूटती हूँ मैं, but in my limit, but I, you know, very calm voice I speak. But when he's angry or when he's upset, he uses those words and, you know, then suddenly you're like, you know, what is he trying to say?
But he's trying to bully you.
And you know, there are 15 words. Dun, 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 dun. So you pick up only 1, 2 memory wise. And then you go and like Google or dictionary. Kya hai ye? He's the winner there.
Let me tell you from a bodybuilding perspective. This is what Franco Colombo was very short bodybuilder did with the taller guys. Because they would go and out intimidate him with their
Yeah.
size and all. So he'd squat as low as possible and kill the size thing. So you go the other way. You don't go for big words. You go like John, Johnny, Janardhan, Pararam, pum, 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 pum. And he won't know what to do as a reply. You've changed the whole game. This is my gift, Ashwini.
Yeah,
It's my
yeah,
gift.
good idea.
See, but Murli is an intellectual and he wants you to feel victimized by him. But the moment you say that we are all buffoons, he won't know what to do. Because you can't argue with a buffoon, no matter how
Yeah.
intellectual you
Yeah,
are.
yeah.
Murli, we've got you.
I know, I should try this.
How long you were married? 2009, no?
We did Feras in 2009, but we
it took more
registered
than a
our
year?
marriage in 2013. So
Why?
legally, we forgot to register. Actually, we were living
The
in.
bookish man
Yeah.
forgot to register.
No, he is very bad in these things. He doesn't even know how to order on Amazon, yeah.
I'm just asking. I'm not making fun. On the sixth Fera, was he reading?
No.
तो घूम गया बीच में. She's saying गुजराती घुमाई गई. He's gone. And then she's left there. And
No,
4
no,
years
I
later,
don't
he's
think-
back
No,
with a new book.
I don't tell you. That time, what happened that when we met and then we were living in and I was living in with my in-laws and it was everybody, my parents also, and everybody
All
is
of you
very
are in the same house?
No, my in-laws and we would stay together and my parents of course nearby, but they all forgot like शादी भी करनी चाहिए, because we also forgot, we are not married, so
But there
then
was
we
a-
did
with the
Feras.
Feras, then you had a little reception and all
intimate,
that.
very घर के अंदर जैसा.
Very Maharashtrian, ice cream and nothing else.
No, only हम लोग ही काय का ice cream.
I have too many Maharashtrian friends. I've suffered. Dress up,
Yeah.
dress up, ice cream.
Kasata ice cream.
Kasata. Spot on! Spot on, no? Boss, you go into science somewhere, you find some small bloody hall and you're all dressed up.
But
There's
you know
no
their
daru, but-
lunch is very yummy. Marathi jevan, pangat. It is
Yeah.
called pangat. You sit on the
When
table
my
and
friends are
they
all rich Maharashtrians who only gave ice cream.
ice cream.
It was the worst experience out of all the communities where we were eating. There's no food.
No, of course there used to be
Yeah,
food.
a separate function.
Yeah,
The main
okay.
one. So then what? So you forgot.
Yeah,
But,
and
but
then
the passport and all, what happened?
No, nothing. Because we were living in and it wasn't. Then later on, we said we have to register. Then we registered in 2013. So legally, 2013. But we know each other for the last 20 years and we have been
No,
there.
but we had the
with
same
each
problem. You have to get the notary or something to actually make the marriage thing legal.
other. Certificate. no, you
Certificate and
need.
all
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
we didn't do that on the wedding day.
Yeah,
it's-
you forget then
No,
later.
you don't know. We didn't know.
Oh.
So we were actually married a couple of months later. When the guy came,
Acha.
that's another long story where Kunal, my good friend, went and called him. We had to bribe him because he gave all kinds of trouble. He came and I was in my lungi because my father set a precedent in our house where you wear lungi and sadra, like the
Oh, wow.
vest.
Yeah,
But we wear it like a towel, not in the South Indian style. So you have to be very careful. And I came. So he said, "Theek se kapre pehen ke aana." So Kunal in Marathi told him, hey, the words that you
Yeah,
use
yeah.
but you're not using here, I have paid you. Don't worry, bother about this. Just sign that
Yeah.
thing. Well, how suddenly he became like all, like we have to have a nice, dignified presence.
No,
My wife came in
ours
shorts. I
was
was
very
in,
easy.
Yeah.
My cousin was there and his friend was there to sign. A lawyer was there to sign.
Bas,
and
something
that's
like
it.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We signed. We called up our parents and we got married. Oh, okay. Acha, okay. It was that.
But this is the 2013.
13.
Yeah. So when do you
22nd
celebrate
March.
the anniversary?
22nd March 2013.
So
because otherwise we
you're-
forget, no?
But the internet says 2009. So technically, which is the marriage day?
2013.
So you're
22nd
not-
March.
Wow, they cancelled 4 years. It's like
Yeah, because you know what? It's like Mediclaim. You know,
absolutely
yeah,
right.
you know, when you
Correct.
what you have declared. It's like, you know, suddenly when you go, oh, I'm fainting, doctor, and suddenly you say, what happened? No, I think, you know, this had happened. This had. Medically, we say, you never said this.
Yeah.
So you have to remember the story. So you need to practice. You cannot go and tell extra. So 2013, it's legal, and
But when was the honeymoon?
we have been living in क्या honeymoon तो होते रहता है अभी भी.
Living in before 2009.
हाँ, that's what I said.
Living in Sindh, Lower Punjab. What the hell's going on?
Yeah, living in with my in-laws.
Correct. But that was before marriage.
Yeah.
Oh, they were cool.
They were cool.
That's damn good, huh?
Traditional South Indians. My
Wow,
parents are
traditional
Marathi.
South Indian and they allow.
Yeah. पूरा चंदन
Nobody said
वंदन
anything.
लगा- No.
You must
South
have been-
Indian कट्टर Brahmins.
They must
बॉस
have loved
लहसुन
you.
नहीं आता है घर में.
Yeah. Maybe they're all reading, so they didn't know you were there.
No.
Sorry. Unnecessary. Yeah.
My father-in-law and mother-in-law were very cool. Even my Jetani are very cool. Very cool, chilled out. Traditional, but chilled out.
And you've not had kids deliberately.
Not
because
deliberately.
you and I.
No, I had a medical
Oh,
issue.
sorry.
Yeah.
But you and I offline discussed how we're not. People think that everybody loves kids.
I
and
don't
it's-
like over smart kids. I love kids who are like kids. You know, the innocence and everything. Those who say, "Kya auntie, aapko itna bhi nahi aata hai." You know, I can't swim.
That kind
yeah,
of
I'll
Hindi
tell you
sounds like you're in a bug.
Yeah, I mean, you know, kya hai, itna bhi nahi aata hai. So, you know, those kind of kids. For some reason, 5 times I tried to, you know, learn swimming. 5 baar paisa bhara. And 5, I can drown in 3 feet. Ask me why.
Why?
Because I get scared and I curl up like a prawn.
I'll teach you swimming in 2 days.
Everybody said that.
Yeah, but
5 times I have failed. And I can drown in 3 feet.
you went to like a professional class
Yes,
in
yes,
a club
yes,
pool or whatever
yes.
where they...
There was, what, some Sun and Sand or something?
Sun and Sand,
Some,
the famous,
one of the hotels.
He's the guy, the coach is the one who taught Anupam Kher for that, what is it? Vicky 69.
But this was years back.
Yeah, I'm
I've
just saying
given
it's the
up.
same coach.
Maybe. I don't know. No.
I've
He
upset
wasn't
her.
the coach. No.
She doesn't want to share
No,
Anupam
I'll tell
Kher's
you
coach.
what. No, I'll tell you. I'll tell you the hotel. It's next to Prithvi Theatre. Ahead of Prithvi Theatre.
So
On the left-hand side.
Sun and Sand, Sea Princess, one of those.
Sea Princess, maybe.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't even remember.
uh.
So, but I couldn't swim. So, but that time these kids used to come and they say, "Auntie, you know, you are doing jump. Say, Auntie, thoda side do na, please." And then they would. So I don't like such oversmart. Auntie,
Also,
thoda
I
side
feel it's a very like Batamizi sort of names for swimming, no? You don't realize it when you're a kid, but you can't say breaststroke, for example, or backstroke. Or even freestyle, it's on a kuch bhi chalega. You know,
because I'm a dancer, Kathak. So I used to, you know why I never learned? Because I used to tell him, "Acha, mujhe batao kaise karna hai." So he used to do that. So what I did, 1, like a dance step.
Oh,
1,
no.
2, 3 exhale, 4 air. And I would drown in the second thing only. You know, because I thought it's a dance.
So they gave the money back.
No.
But I can't believe that it's not that difficult. You just have to first learn how to kick, then learn how to.
No, I know all
Why
that.
can't Mulli teach you instead of reading so much?
No.
Does he
Oh,
swim?
he does. He will not. We watch Telugu movies, okay?
Huh.
He's a Telugu speaking guy.
Okay.
So we watch these Telugu movies. He speaks Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam,
Yeah.
Gujarati. He speaks Bihari. He speaks a lot of languages, okay? इसीलिए शायद वो भाव खाता है. So Telugu movie now I'm watching. He said, and I'm subtitles में क्या होता है ना? You want to see it's like this. So I try to. So I understand now काफी. So joke and all, it's like, you know, you need to say, क्या बोला? I didn't hear. He actually tells me that. No, I didn't hear.
He doesn't want to tell you.
He doesn't. He just doesn't like explaining things and all when he's watching films.
What's the catch? But what is the good things in the marriage?
That because of him, I think I'm not behind
the
the
opposites
bars.
attract. Yeah.
I think
You're
I'm
crazy.
not-
He's calm.
Yeah.
It works
Yeah.
somehow.
I'm
the
full of
other.
life and he's very calm.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I think that we don't match anywhere. Nothing matches.
But
He
you all have worked together also.
Not much. In Golmaal, yes.
So what happens there with the group when you're working? Do you,
I'm having fun. He's sitting alone in some
Oh, even
corner
on the
with
set? On the set
yeah,
he's a
yeah,
loner?
He's also he's with the book.
but he's quite an established name and all. He doesn't socialize with the.
He does. He'll come and sit.
Well, that book must be scaring people, no? I've
no,
seen the
but he
Golmaal
loves.
cast.
He sings well. He's a very good singer, and so he keeps listening to the music, and he reads. He's in his own sweet
He's
world.
a very unique man, as it turns out.
yeah.
Almost miscast in Bollywood. No?
Actually, but he is like that only.
Yeah, he's not the kind of guy we'll see on.
But he wasn't like that when he was flirting with me.
Why did he change? You destroyed him.
No.
Then?
He basically was like this. That was
Acha,
acting.
acha, Avatar came out to put out the
Yeah.
girl and then it went back to normal.
Ah.
But that's all males, yeah.
Yeah.
We're also nice, pick the chair, open the door, all that.
That he does even now.
That I also do, but there's nobody there. I still do it. Is that weird? No? It's a bit weird, yeah.
He's very.
So he was extroverted and sort of loud and all that when he was flirting with you and trying to put out you and all that?
yeah. He was fun.
Yeah.
We would talk for hours in the night and all. Now he goes to sleep at around 9:30, quarter to 10. He goes by the watch. He's
like a camp commander.
He should have been.
Really? He's so disciplined and
And because of that, everybody
and
is
refined.
disciplined in the house.
He's too refined for your business.
Jankar, this cute boy, Nepali couple, I have, 21-year-old, and his wife is 19-year-old. And yeah.
And you should not marry so young, but it happened. Yeah.
They're very cute, both of them. Very, very good-looking couple. They're very cute. He's my
What kind of
handler.
story is this? Ours is a very vegetarian show.
No, very cute couple. Yeah, they are good-looking couple. So, shishi. So,
That's so Maharashtrian. Shishi.
So, actually, Jankar came in for my pets, my babies.
Oh.
So, yeah, he's a
What
dog
are the doggies'
handler.
names?
Gabbar and Samba.
Why didn't you bring them here?
I didn't know if it is allowed.
It's not, but we would have just
I
managed.
have their car also, which is like a wagon, and we have removed the seats.
They say
and-
Garib Desh, her dogs have cars.
Yes.
So
But-
screw you. Garib
No, hello, वो
No,
मेरे
it's not a
बच्चे
criticism.
हैं because I couldn't और हमारे खुद के बच्चे नहीं हैं तो ये मेरे बच्चे हैं तो मैंने when they came home they were very small so I had a nanny for them.
Desh. Fair enough, you have the money. Yeah.
Not money, but I had a nanny. I didn't have the money.
Yeah.
But
It almost went.
yeah, so no.
Nani, Mani. Let's go south. How do we get this right?
Yeah. But yeah, because I didn't know. First time I had a pet, when I was a kid, my brother got a rabbit. तो मेरी माँ ने एक महीने के बाद या something बोल दिया कि take it back because she's not studying, and I cried and it was 1 week I was crying.
But
crying,
you didn't
crying.
eat the rabbit, no?
No.
Oh, thank God.
So, so after that, there was no pet or anything in the house. And this is the first time, and I didn't know कि क्या करना है. So I had a proper, certified nanny, to look after them, and
I'm a little touchy about that when it comes to dog parenting. And let me explain to people who don't have dogs and all that we sound crazy when we say baby and all that.
Yeah.
But there's no question in my mind that the dog is a baby
Yeah,
and your
baby.
baby. And for those who are pet parents, they understand that's not even a thing. We don't even get into an argument. But I'm a little racist about I don't like anyone taking my dogs down except me. That's why I'm always running back.
No, the same thing. Murli also takes whenever he's there.
Only with a book and a dog, only one will come back.
No, no, at that
Gabbar
time he
kahan hai?
doesn't read.
Gabbar malam nahi, but I must tell you what Dostoevsky has just taught me on page 47, paragraph 2.
No, that time he doesn't read. No, his timetable is
But that's
set.
great
no?
for dogs. If you have time discipline, very good with dogs.
Everything,
Yeah.
everything.
What happens when he's long shoots and all that?
That time, Jankar is there, no?
So you've got the backup.
Yeah. Jankar
So you're-
is somebody who plays with them. He's like I told you, young boy, Nepali with full energy.
Because Murli is reading to them also. I mean, dogs appreciate it, but after some time, it's like, come on, throw the ball.
Yeah. And most of the times it's me, but I don't take them
Is the
down.
Mastiff playful in terms of all this? I know
Yeah,
labs
yeah.
are crazy about
Yeah,
balls
yeah,
normally.
Yeah, he is.
So they both play at the same time? Or?
Absolutely, but Lab is more active.
Yeah. Oh, they're
Isko,
crazy.
you have to, and you know what? Because both are males.
Yeah.
So I have
But
to
in
get.
today's society, it's okay.
Yeah, and both of them, they want to. I mean, wherever I go, this first shopping is for them. So I buy everything too, the toys too, everything. Colors also, though they are colorblind, I mean, they don't differentiate. But still, if he has that toy, even if he has the same one, he wants to go for that. So it's fun.
But as a 2-dog parent, I have the same issue. Screw you if you don't like dogs. As a 2-dog parent, no, you have to balance it because they know.
Yeah.
They sort of know you can't give half a biscuit more here. or there. You can't do anything like that.
You can't.
That's right.
But they are so well disciplined. They are so well trained that I just say Jai Jai. Jai Jai is puja.
Okay.
So they come and sit in my mandir.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, for hours. Even if I'm doing havan or something, they will sit there, and you just have to give them tulsi kadandi, and they'll keep chewing on tulsi, and they will sit, and then after the puja is done, I put tika on them, and then they are done.
Smriti Irani, na? Tulsi?
तुलसी मतलब तुलसी का पौधा.
Where's my book? I need to read.
You actually need to be with Murli for some time.
But I agree with you.
Either he'll change or either you'll change.
No. See, I'll tell you. Male, female, it's very good what you're saying. Ki personalities are very different and all that. And that's why it's working.
Yeah.
I think even male and male, when you're different personalities, you have longer relationships.
Yeah.
Because you don't come in each other's space actually.
Actually,
So you actually have a better way of complementing each other.
Yeah,
Otherwise, you have two comedians all shouting and talking at the same time.
Yeah.
When you have a normal person and a person who's trying to talk a lot, they have a better thing.
I mean, so many times, one thing I must say, he's changed me a lot for good, bad, whatever it is, but for good, that I started reading.
Acha, safety ke liye good.
No,
bola.
good that I started reading. Otherwise, I would not read. For reading is a...
How can you read in the Insta age?
I'm not
Even
on
I can't read text now.
No, I'm not on social media.
You're not on social media?
No.
He's 100% not on.
No.
Wow.
I'm also
You're
not
fantastic.
because I watch YouTube. That's how I,
No, but the fact that you don't get into this whole internet networks.
I don't know how to
numbers.
I don't know. I mean, when I was there for some time, because somebody opened my account and this and that, and I was there for some time, and what I could do is I only know copy and paste. So the videos, whatever. So it's you need to have a knack for that.
So you're not
I
going to be
think.
one of those Ashwini wakes up at 5 in the morning and shows us the sunset.
Who's interested?
I don't know. People do that all the time.
Yeah.
And they send it to us. I'm talking to people you know. Forget people who are famous or whatever. They're trying to make money or whatever. But people just do it. I have people in the building who send messages for no reason.
Yeah.
I can't believe people sending a message saying the lift door's open. I mean, got a life, yeah. Get a life, man. Leave me the fuck alone. Don't lie, because these are the messages we get. We all get these messages and we're looking at it and saying, what happened to my
I'm also
life?
in the committee of my building.
Yeah,
So
but give me back my life, man. Don't do all this, yeah.
they keep having conversations and we have meetings.
Suffocating.
I'll tell you what. If some other device comes, which is not with this internet and whatever social media and all, and they say that, throw your mobiles and you still can, like how answering machine used to be.
Yeah,
like during
how fast everything changed.
I don't know how young you are, but
No,
during
I had
our
answering
time-
machines.
Yeah.
I used to, that was my acting job. I would
Yeah,
love to leave.
yeah.
So all of us frustrated actors would
Yeah.
leave a message with an accent and all.
And because I was from the airline, I knew how to speak. So the airline usually हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि अच्छा वो करो ना ये करना नहीं ऊपर नहीं नीचे. What are you doing? Don't keep it there. You have to lock that trolley. Namaskar. Suddenly.
Oh, nice.
You're
Can you
on
see
the
the thing about the seat
Yeah,
belt?
I'll
You remember
I'll
it?
try. नमस्कार, इंडियन एयरलाइंस की उड़ान 406 जो कि दिल्ली जा रही है, उस पर आपका स्वागत है. उड़ान के मुख्य वैमानिक कप्तान साइरस भरोचा है. दिल्ली तक की दूरी हम 1 घंटे 50 मिनट में पूरी करेंगे. यात्रियों से निवेदन है, कृपया अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लें. धन्यवाद.
Let's take a break. That's a beautiful. I mean, yeah, we've got our reel for the day. That's fantastic. And after that, person watching is going nowhere. That's your life. Yeah. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, Brocha Janata Party. Please listen, smash, share, and subscribe as soon as you can. We have to make Cyrus Says the biggest English language podcast in the country.
What is this break?
I have to do potty and then I will eat my breakfast in tuxedo.
Bhen chod.
What did you just say?
Madan Kumar Bhen chod.
This is the stuff I want to see.
And I wanted to do pornography.
I will sell it to Pornhub. Sir, guy does not need to be in society.
I keep saying this. In Sweden, Lund is a name. L-U-N-D.
It's not Lund, it's Lund.
तभी ये साइरस भरूचा तो साइरस ब्रोचा का पॉडकास्ट देखने का अच्छा है टाइम पास.
And we're back from the break. Yes.
Yes. I want to know your a couple of questions. Can I ask?
No, but you were finishing your point.
Yeah, that when people get up after this whole aircraft is landed, it's still taxing. मतलब taxing मतलब runway में
Yeah.
अभी उतरा है and then it's just moving.
Every time.
Indigo has jakak.
Every time you
Yeah,
hear
yeah,
it,
yeah.
and that poor lady will come and say,
Sir,
Yeah.
please sit down. Sir, please sit down. Sir, please sit down.
what's wrong with our people that he can't understand normal things?
Yeah.
It's still taxing, it's still moving. The first guy's already out and taking out stuff.
taking out stuff and then they'll
कहाँ
switch on
जाएगा
their
बैंक चोद? दरवाजा
mobile.
खुला नहीं है. But where's the logic, yeah? No, you can't
seriously
jump out of the plane. I don't know what to say to these. And they're all not first-time travelers.
And you know what? There's so many times is that because I don't carry those fancy branded Louis Vuittons and Birkins and all. I don't have. I carry a backpack.
Nice.
So because of I have a lot of issues. So when there's a backpack, there is some suddenly मंदिर में नहीं धक्का
Push,
लगता है.
yeah. Oh, God.
What?
We don't
कहाँ जाएगा?
No, we don't understand space.
And then Murli says कि आपको शांत रहना है. कैसे?
Murli needs to work in that aircraft for 3
अरे
days.
he sits in the first row, yeah.
But even
Because
then,
of the leg issue, he's 6'3".
He's
I am
6'3".
5'2".
my God.
I can fit into a bloody top.
It's literally he goes and you could be the mandir. Like he would carry you, around. Like some people do. Oh, God.
There was a photograph once on page 3. That time we were dating. And I'm looking up like this and he's talking to me like this with the arm around. And some smart one that was. But somebody wrote down, Ashwini's asking me, how is the weather up there?
You must have heard these jokes all the time, no?
Yeah.
Same thing, height thing. But let's get back to airlines. I want to bitch about the passengers.
Yeah, so first of all, they want to stuff their darwaza, the hat track, which is called, it's not shutting.
And the belief is the more I push it, it will just go in, even though the space is this much.
No, you don't know the undercurrent.
Then?
It's not, I'm not trying to fit in. If you want to, then you'll put the bag lengthwise, you'll adjust it and somehow you try and put it. I will make sure that my bag fits in. It's your
By breaking
job.
whoever else's bag is there.
I mean, I don't care.
Yeah. But
I'm carrying an oversized bag, but still make sure I need space. मैं तो ticket buy किया, I need my space.
But you've forgotten one very important thing. And this is a malady of the entire country and no one is putting their finger up and saying, bus both ho gaya. And that is the person who pretends to be handicapped or in a wheelchair. And then they come, wheelchair. And the moment they reach into the aircraft and they're put on their seat, 2 seconds later they jump up. And then they're floating around, taking things out of the handbag, this, that and the other. They go to the toilet, they come back, all good. And then back in the wheelchair and you have to wait behind them.
But the wheelchair passengers are usually also for somebody who cannot walk for the length. Airports are very...
It's a scam for a lot of people. I think we should have a wheelchair check. Like if the person can raise their knee or, run at 5 steps or something, we say no. Let's do a proper check. What's the point of the Labrador smelling for drugs? How many drugs are passing and all that? Just check this, the fitness level.
No, I think, it's also like, I have probably if somebody has got an arthritis or something.
But they might be lying. Ashwini, you're an actor. Murli's an actor. Anyone can act. My friend Vijayakar, the great Kunal, you know what he has done? In Paris to get upgraded when much young in the 90s, he went and put a neck brace. And Europeans are so ridiculous. You just have to go like this. Hello, you can't speak French. Thank you. Sir, what is wrong with your neck? Pinning? Okay. Upgrade.
Wow.
Yeah.
This
And
is
then
very nice.
enter the aircraft. Change completely. It's the rubbish that goes on in airlines and no one is saying anything.
That's a good idea, actually.
It is a good idea. I like the creativity, but I felt, again, let down. Because like I said, my mom used to do this, the job, so we hear the perspective you have.
I'll tell you on this only what Kunal ji has done.
Kunal ji ne, yeah?
He's
Distasteful, man. By the way, he's Maharashtrian and single.
I know.
Turned 60. Can we find him someone?
yeah.
Is there some old aunt or chachi, masi or
Yeah,
something?
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Who? Show me
Vijayakar is a Saraswat, no?
No, his stepfather was. He is a Vijayakar. Okay, now don't laugh.
Yeah.
But I have it with me because he left the book there. They are the Pathare Prabhu. So their descent is from William the Conqueror, 1066 Battle of Hastings. Not a joke. One ship came to Gujarat, like the Parsis. Some mistake happened. Travel agents, and they are descendants. So they spoke French initially, then they reached the crossed into Maharashtra and they picked up Marathi.
They are Pathare
That's why
Prabhu.
we are non-vegetarian. We drink alcohol because we're like Europeans. So, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But have you seen him?
Yes.
And have you seen a Frenchman? It's not quite the same experience.
Yeah. But no, we can find him. He's a
Let's
nice
find
guy.
him.
Yeah.
60 because now he's
He
reached
loves
the-
to eat also.
He loves to eat. And
He should come home. You cannot come to my place. I cook damn good food.
Of course I can.
No, I
I'll
cook
come-
only
I'll-
vegetarian, na.
Why?
Because we are Brahmins.
Oh.
Married to a South Indian
But you
Brahmin
can't even
boss.
cook for the guests.
Anda I can.
Anda, I eat enough in the day. But why can't you serve us? Why are you so mean? When we have
Then you'll have to
navjots
go to
and
my
weddings.
mother's
and-
place.
Baba, we cater for non-veg and veg. I've always fed people whatever they want. Where's the Mehman
We are
culture?
very strict vegetarians. Puja Path wale vegetarians.
But tell Murli to be flexible here.
No, he's the. Oh God, he doesn't eat food from anywhere. I carry his food. Like I'm
Are
sure.
you serious?
Yeah.
He lives on sets and he doesn't eat
He
food.
has a chef.
And before, when he was struggling and just coming up, what did
That
you do?
time he used to carry dabba from home.
Are
He
you?
struggled. Yeah, like garam, wo sada pani mein biscuit
Oh my
dubा
God,
के
it's like
खाया
a-
है. It's that kind of struggle.
He
Otherwise
carried a
it's
dabba.
Dabba.
The one nice thing about was food on sets. Even, the oily
His
food,
set
whatever.
पे भी खाता था. I mean, whenever they used to be struggle days, because very thoda money wise he was very low, so he struggled that way. But now, wherever, when we travel, when we are going on a holiday or something, I carry his aircraft food. Like if you're traveling to
you
America,
kidding?
US, yeah, because हम दोनों के पास हमारे पास 2 वीजा है, US का and London का, because हम दोनों के timings match नहीं होते, so अरे 10 days, okay, let's go. So buy a ticket and go. So I carry his entire 9 hours or 10 hours, 14 hours का जितना भी meals होगा,
What
I
a
carry
beautiful
that.
wife.
Yeah.
My wife won't even carry a chocolate for me.
No, I carry.
So you carry like a bodybuilder, you make all these different meals and carry it for him.
Yes, and I have a that
What does he do for you?
buys me tickets, business class, first class.
Then you got a good deal. That's true. Oh, man,
He
5
spends
dabbas
for
a
my
time.
shopping.
Yeah, come on.
I just have to cook. So most of the times, nowadays I tell him that let's not stay in the hotel. Nowadays Airbnb is come up with such
Yeah.
apartment is good
Best.
because you know what?
You can
Like
get your own food.
London, central London.
Huh.
There is Govinda's restaurant. Okay,
Our Govinda.
Govinda. Yeah, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Govinda's.
Oh.
Yeah, that Govinda's. It's
Is
called
it?
Govinda.
You don't have to pay there, no? Or it's very subsidized.
No. You have to pay
Proper?
there. Yeah. So of course you have those choices. What kind of meal? Wherever I am, Trafalgar Square. If I walked, you love walking, in Europe. So take a cab and go to that Govinda to eat.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
He doesn't like the London restaurants and all. They've got so
what
much.
will he eat? Indian food चाहिए भाई.
But Indian restaurants भी बहुत काफी हैं.
Hey, but they are. He doesn't like those,
No, he's
paneer
too
butter
touchy, yaar.
masala.
Because there's
and-
enough veg options. And
But
there's
no,
enough-
there is Sarvana Bhavan, no? So we go to such places. I do my bit. I do my.
I must say, it's very good.
I
I
eat
feel like a
outside.
therapist today.
Why?
No, because we are discussing Murli only. 45-50% is Murli.
No, it's like so
If he
nice.
watches the show, he'll be like, why? I should have been there. I mean, it's just ridiculous.
Actually, you should have. But if I am talking, then he doesn't talk.
But I saw that Komal Nahata interview and he was talking and he was always smiling and he seemed very, I like the chemistry
Yeah.
and he seemed very loving. Nah,
He
it's an
is.
act. Yeah.
He is, but
And when you say silly things, only he smiles happily, more like what
Yeah,
we
yeah,
do
yeah.
when our kids say something funny,
Yeah.
the genuine
Yeah,
smile.
yeah,
So he seemed happy.
yeah. He likes my all cartoongiri.
So I think you lucked out then. Have you seen other people's marriages after 15 years? Oh my God, you have no idea. Oof. No one.
No, but also that is working fine because we both of us are not seeing each other often.
No, but that's less is more is the best way for marriage to survive. This is a known
because
fact.
he's half the time in South somewhere
somewhere,
shooting.
yeah.
When he comes back, maybe I'm shooting.
Yeah.
I'm not that busy like him. Touch wood. I mean,
But
God
you
bless
said you
him.
wanted to talk to producers who are not using you correctly.
Not correct. I never
And
said
only the top Bollywood and Hollywood people watch this podcast. Like
that.
top,
Yeah.
the best.
Then please cast me.
Yeah.
Please. काम की ज़रूरत है. I've
You've
not
got to be
started
dominant
work.
with them. Hey, fuckers. Listen to what I have to say.
Okay. See.
You bloody Okay, now say your point.
Please cast me.
We are a terrible team, it looks like.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
It's like-
Sorry. He's my spokesperson. He.
It's like my wife would shout at the kids and I was going to say sorry to them. It's like that. It's just bad parenting. Yeah. Okay.
But I have worked in Hollywood also, Cyrus.
Yes. Hey, let's talk about your career. We're nearly 1 hour. We've just been talking about Murli.
But you, yeah, I know. But you
it's
know,
a
you're
fun
not
chat, fun
researched.
chat. No, I've researched lots. I know that you started with Air India, Indian Airlines, whatever it's called now. Now it's called what? Air India
India.
only for everything. Then you got Shanti
Yes.
as a break without
Yes.
any training or anything.
No, nothing. I'm
which you
not a
mentioned.
trained actor, which I feel sad. You've done theatre, right?
I've done, but what difference does it make? I'm terrible. Then you, Shanti, and you only worked Fridays. No, because you kept your job. Yes or no?
Yes.
देखा? कितना study किया मैंने? Then it's a little hazy after that. No, I'm
Yeah.
kidding. Then CID.
Then
Then you cut to all the
CID.
films that you've done. The Rohit Shetty plays a very big role. He seems to
Yes.
cast both of you all actually.
Yes.
In so many of them.
yes.
The Golmaals.
I think
and,
I started off my career with TV because I was in a comfort zone कि सुबह जाओ शाम को वापस आओ. You know, you
Yeah.
want to have your machi and mutton.
but it was
and
such a big
everything.
show, no?
Marathi.
People
yeah.
don't know how big Shanti was. It was like
Shanti,
like a one-man sort of, on the
Very
television
good.
dominating.
The first
dominant show.
Swabhiman and Shanti,
Yeah, then
the
Swabhiman,
daily
these two,
soaps,
yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Then I got into CID. Then it was Balaji.
And CID has run for 10,000 years.
Yeah, but I worked only for 7 years.
But how can work except for 2 or 3 of them?
No, but I didn't make money on CID.
What are you saying?
No,
Why?
because
Everybody
I
in CID makes money. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
now
Back on Netflix.
Yeah. Coming back on Netflix? No.
no, yeah.
CID's promos out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, they are minting money. See, galat
Covered
time
3
pe choda.
generations already of CID.
Yeah, yeah.
So after 7 years, what happened? You got bored. Same thing.
No, not bored, but yeah, I wanted to probably explore something because I was not getting to do anything
Certainly
there.
male dominated also.
हो गया था. So I
Action
left.
sequences were always a problem with me. The action sequences, I felt was a little not great.
But it was crazy. I mean,
No,
kids
the
are crazy.
plots were great. The acting
Yeah,
was good,
yeah.
but the problem was that whenever they were getting into a chase or whatever, always felt that they weren't really running fast.
They, in fact, they were not running fast.
Yeah. But this is also Hollywood has the same thing. Those whatever Law and Order and whatever their shows are. If you see them when they do these chases, it just suddenly looks like everybody's acting. I don't know. Nobody runs like normal.
How? What sprint suddenly?
Not just like normal. It's almost like it's a glamour run. It's like it's all.
No, we used to run. I used to run. These guys were like so tall. They
Yeah.
are. I mean, so tall and big. So they used to, sir used to tell me, the director sir, that go ahead and stand and start running, so that they can anyway to catch me.
How mean? What a sexist director.
No, because you know what? I would stay behind, and I am the only woman
Yeah,
cop
true,
in
true.
that group.
And you
so
don't want
I
to look
have
like the
to,
woman
yeah.
cop is dangling at the back
Dangling
all the
at the
time.
back because she can't run.
Yeah, which is the truth apparently. No, that's what you're saying. But if they start together, then that's what would have happened.
That's what he used to say. Couple of steps आगे जाओ और दौड़ना शुरू करो. They will any which way catch you. So, but yeah, after that I did Balaji's Kasam Se with Ram Kapoor. I saw your podcast with Ram.
All Ram stories are true, by the way.
Yeah.
Oof. I can't believe we've been friends for so long. It's ridiculous, really.
But he's also like you. Fun.
Oh, he's great fun.
Yeah.
But you don't know, we used to drink. So whatever, this is the watered down version. You don't know how bad we were. The things, he's only told a few stories. There's so many bad stories. Ram was naughty.
Yeah.
Name is Ram.
Yeah.
Behavior was not the same.
So we did that show. I was the vamp in it. I played his sister and Prachi Desai and Ram Kapoor. And then I did Jodha Akbar show, which came on Z, where I played the negative again. And then after that, one, I think, finite show I did, and then I stopped on television. And then
What is the Hollywood show before we go?
Hollywood movie I
Movie,
did
sorry.
with Dev Patel,
Which one?
the Monkey Man.
The Monkey Man. Dev Patel's the lead.
Yes, he directed it. That's your study.
Is the Monkey Man that murderer thing?
Monkey Man murderer, matlab?
There was a Monkey Man who was a killer in Mumbai. It was called the Monkey Man.
No, not that. This is a very different story. He's directed it. He's acted. He's the main lead.
Is it
I
Punjabi
played-
Teri Monkey?
No.
No.
Monkey Man.
So what is the story? Go check out
it's-
Monkey Man.
It's on Peacock.
Sounds horrible. I'm kidding. Peacock. What is Peacock?
There is some streaming. on
Streaming platform called Peacock. Okay,
Yeah.
but give me the genre of the story. Now, what is the?
It's about. It's based on not based. I should not say that, but as a child, this kid's mother always told him the stories of Hanuman and how
Why didn't you warn me before I started
and-
saying all this rubbish?
No, it's
I had
not
no idea.
mythological or
Then?
anything. And then
So he thinks he's Hanuman.
No. He knows that how he went to Lanka and whatever, destroyed Lanka and saved Sita Ma and whatever. So he's been and he grows up and he sees his mother getting raped by this.
Wow, where this story is going?
No, so it's today's story.
Okay.
So that and what he's.
What are you playing?
I'm playing the bad woman.
Oh, you're always playing the negative character.
nice person I am.
Huh.
So he says I will take revenge
Huh.
from whatever has happened
On
to my
the
mother.
perpetrators,
Yeah,
huh.
yeah. And that's how he and he, you know, then this whole monkey man that, you know, Hanuman.
Okay, let's not give away the whole story.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
But
don't.
basically, so it's a revenge thing. And you're one of the negative characters. Well, that's interesting. So you've actually gone all over the place. You've done a little bit of Hollywood, done lots of Bollywood.
Yes, and this movie we shot in during pandemic.
Hmm.
So I went to Indonesia, and there's a place island called Batam, which was all we were
Hmm.
working in a bubble, and I was there for 2 months. And
Is it anything like Bali?
it was very beautiful.
Yeah.
It had a lovely.
They are. It's a very beautiful
Yeah,
set of islands.
Sikandar
No?
Khed and
Yeah.
lovely, all everybody, Pito Bhash, Vipin Sharma, and everybody was there. 14 days quarantine, and you know.
Did your husband come?
No, not allowed.
He couldn't come join you
Nobody,
because of,
no. Pandemic burst 21.
because Indonesia has
December.
books. Sorry, I apologize.
Books. He would have carried his book.
Does he read on the set, like in between shots,
24/7.
like his book, not the script?
Book.
So between the shots, when he's got time, he's just reading his book.
Yes. I mean, I'll tell you, latest.
I don't want to call him. I'm scared now because the whole podcast he'll be reading only. He'll be like,
No,
"Haan, bolo."
no, he'll not read. He'll tell you this book I've read, this book, you know, I've not
But
read.
who will he talk to? There's nobody who reads anymore. He'll be like alone.
No.
Who reads?
Oh, lot of people.
The pretend reading. हाँ,
No,
pretend reading
lot
बहुत
of-
करता है.
And you know, my only thing is, see, मैं जिसमें कमजोर हूँ. For example, I'm telling you, I've learned Kathak. Okay, so you don't know anything about it.
So you won't bully me.
I will not.
Yeah.
I will not say कि अरे टुकड़ा.
Like the table thingy.
Yeah.
You could easily make fun of
Epoxy.
me, but you backed off and said,
Yeah.
okay, he's an idiot. Bas, huh.
Yeah, I mean epoxy. You don't know. Like I don't know anything about cricket. You don't know anything about epoxy.
Not a great comparison. You should know a little bit about cricket. No,
I
yours
know
is a very specific
LBW.
subject.
I know bowled, catch out, run out, 6-4, and spinner, fast bowler, LBW, umpire, third umpire.
My God, you know more than me.
But I don't know. There is something called what? Slip.
All the bad words: slip, leg slip, third man,
हाँ,
gully,
third man,
middle,
and something.
off, leg, abdi guard. There's lots of double entendre. So
Though
cricket is made
all
for men
these
to
I
make fun
don't
of each
know.
other.
I just know out and I know 4
Have you
and
heard of
6.
short leg?
No.
That's cricket terms. Very scary. You don't follow cricket at all?
No, but I used to fly Indian Airlines with all these Sachin Tendulkar ji and all Kumble ji, Prasad ji,
How sweet you call them GG and all.
and Kamble,
Kambli.
Kambli ji.
Huh.
You know, all these guys we used to fly quite often. Ravi Shastri ji.
My God, you're
I've
so...
worked with Kapil Dev sir
My
in
God.
CID.
Yeah. So this is my generation of cricketers. Kapil Dev, Ravi
Yes,
Shastri.
I was like,
Yeah.
Kapil
What was he
Dev
doing in
sir.
CID?
He acted in CID one episode.
Palmolive da jawab nahi. The
That
famous
wasn't the
ad.
dialogue.
No, then what was it? Oh, he
It
was,
was
a
a story.
acting
Yes,
a character.
yes.
Yeah, I
It
know. I
would
want
be
to see this
available.
episode. How
Yeah,
do you
it
get
would
check
be
out this
avail-
episode? You're sure, no?
Yes.
You shared screen space.
Boss, we were there.
No, in the same scene.
Yes, and he taught me how to play golf also in between the shot.
Huh.
Because we shot on a golf course or something.
Yeah, he's
so
superb.
He's
Great
very
talent.
good.
Yeah,
So
very
he
good. Yeah.
told me, and he very sweet. That time Kiran Bedi ji was
He's a
like
very
the
good-looking guy. You know,
Very
people
good
don't realize because they
Very,
used to
very
see him on
good-looking.
TV. He's good-looking, tall. Yeah.
all those cricketers.
Yeah.
Ravi Shastri ji
Ravi,
was so
Sandeep
handsome.
Patil,
yeah,
Vengsakar,
yeah,
all
yeah.
tall.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have flown all these
Yeah.
people. Yeah.
And Sunny is very good-looking, but not that tall.
Gavaskar.
Gavaskar. You don't speak Marathi? Ho?
वो मुझे आई थॉट अंग्रेज
गवास्कर कौन बोलते हैं? गवास्कर कहाँ
मलाबार
से है?
हिल वाला
Gavaskar.
अरे मलाबार
Bro,
हिल
not
वाला
with cricket. Cricket is
गावस्कर.
perfect. Cricket, everyone's
गावस्कर.
name.
गावस्कर.
Muralidharan, everybody's name must be correct. I get
Yes,
very
yes.
angry. Oh, no. Sorry.
श्रीकांत जी श्रीकांत
I said Murli and then I said Dharan. I thought maybe that's
no
it.
but I sorry but अभी मुझे पता है
Shrikant G, but you really call them G and all
जी
that?
जी they deserve
Chika,
the G.
Shrikant. What a bat. Yeah.
you know they deserve
Oh, I love
what
them.
they-
That's my glory
Virat
generation.
Kohli ji because you know Dhoni ji
They're younger than you now, Virat and all.
it's about see I'll tell you what
Jaiswal is like 22, 23. You're going to say G. I mean, he'll be confused.
it's because what they are doing you know just expertise के साथ वो जो आता है like for example if you tomorrow
You don't
come
call
on
me
the-
G. You said with C. Something. not
I
with
said
G.
Cyrus
See, सुना ना मैं? What was that
No,
word?
I never called you G or sir anything because we just straight away started talking.
We were talking before they started.
Yeah.
They had to interrupt us to say we're
Yeah,
shooting.
yeah. But if you're directing, suppose tomorrow,
Oh, you're saying if the guy is in a position, certain
Designation, yeah.
position. Yeah.
probably aviation manners. That you know,
Yeah,
even if you're flying with your friend, cockpit crew is your friend. We used to request flights and fly together
What
and
about
all.
the smile?
It's very fake.
It's tough, no?
It's
I'm
fake.
thinking long flights and doing it twice a day, sometime domestic
Yeah.
circuit and all. Last 1 hour of your job, you
Yeah,
still have to
yeah.
keep that
Yeah,
plastic
yeah,
smile
yeah,
on.
yeah.
And thank you for flying. Do it. Can you show us how to do that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Like I've done this before in the podcast before, but you know, I say, Namaskar. Namaskar. Hi. Namaskar. Straight down. Yes.
Yeah. That's exactly what they
That's.
do.
May I see your boarding card? Yeah, it's business class. This way, please. Thank
So they really.
नमस्कार नमस्कार उधर मत रखना पागल है क्या नीचे क्यों रख रहे हैं? नमस्कार नमस्कार
And to say bye, namaskar, bye, namaskar, bye, namaskar to 400 people going off the plane, was your headache?
no, not necessarily, then you
But
know,
you'll
you're just
do
smiling.
that stand and. Oh, okay, now
And
you
then
just smile.
whoever
Huh.
meets eyes, then you know that time is
What if the guy's trying to flirt? And then what do you do?
nothing.
You put your middle finger a little higher? Only
Ignore.
I would do that. Only I would do that.
Ignore.
Yeah.
You just ignore it. You're done, you know, because you have done 2-3 sectors maybe,
Yeah.
and every sector.
And every
the
guy thinks he's the
250
first guy who's
passengers, yeah.
hitting on you or the first guy who's asking for something. No? They also think they are special. That's a
Arey,
big problem.
you know, especially Goa flight,
Hmm.
they all use so many times. I mean, people, my friends will agree that they would come in a normal salwar kameez or whatever, and
Hmm.
suddenly when Goa is going to, you know, when we land, it's a 50-minute flight.
Hmm.
So before that, the toilet is suddenly, you know, busy because the girls, the women's would go and change into a dress or a
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And when they're coming back also, sometimes when you used to receive them,
Go back
you know,
into the conservative
so
outfit.
that, you know, that straw hat and everything is there.
This is our Indian version of Avengers. You know, where you wear the conservative outfit, then you change into the progressive outfit, then come back.
come
and
back,
Superb.
yeah.
So Ashwini, what's going on now? You've
Now,
done so much.
honestly, last year I did 6 movies and 5
You
are
said I'm
released.
looking for work. You did 6
But
movies.
5 are over, no?
But 6 movies are a lot,
And
yeah.
6th one will release this year now. Then, but I have not started.
Are you allowed to talk about it? The 6th one?
Yeah, Son of Sardar.
Oh,
Son of Sardar Part 2.
2. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm a part of that.
Which
Cute
will
little
release
role.
when?
That I don't know.
But any idea, like second half?
April or
Oh,
whatever.
now? So very
April,
close.
May maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, as of
Excellent.
now.
Huh.
And my 5 movies got released last year. And
You're rocking.
No, but this year
Gabbar
no
is
work.
getting good food. He's got a nanny.
He
things are
had
good.
for first 3 months.
Fired the nanny.
No, it was there
That
only.
couple is
but
what?
They are there at
Okay.
home.
They're all part of the family in a
Yeah,
sense.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay. Yeah.
So they are there
Hmm.
and we are there. So we are 6 of us in the house.
So next time you bring the dogs, I would say Murli also,
Come home.
but he won't. But then I don't want to disturb his reading time.
Don't eat anda at home. Eat mera anda
I
curry
like
Marathi.
aloo. If you give me anything with aloo, I can eat it.
Done.
I love the potato. It's my favorite thing.
Okay. I'll make out of this world Marathi Malwani style anda curry.
I love Malwani food.
Okay.
But of course, it's more the non-veggie food that we get.
But then anda curry also kabhi
Anda curry I
khake
love.
हाँ, so
Can't go
anda
wrong.
curry I'll make.
Can we make it puri?
Yeah.
I love puri.
Vada.
Vada.
I'll make it vada. Komdi vade wala.
I mean.
Huh? And South Indian also I make awesome food.
Yeah.
I mean Telugu, Hyderabadi.
Okay, we'll try. What the hell?
Yeah.
Give me some mirchi, give me some aloo, I'm set. I don't
Good,
need
done.
anything else.
Please come with Kunal ji.
I'll bring a book. got to fit in.
No, if you miss the timing, it's 1 o'clock lunch.
Yeah.
If you miss the timing and if you come by 1:30, all you know, Murli's finished his lunch and he'll say, I finished my lunch, but Cyrus, you are most welcome. He cares a damn. And otherwise, when he's eating, also he'll say, I've started my lunch. Please. He will not even
Does he have
wait.
friends?
He has. But they all are used to.
Okay, let's end with a quick last announcement. Come on. That's too funny.
What? Yeah.
Anything from the airlines.
Okay. कृपया ध्यान
No,
दीजिए.
what the turbulence? The turbulence one is also funny here. Eh, sir, please sit down. Sir, please sit down. Every time. What is wrong with
And
us?
फिर जैसे sir sit down sir. यात्रियों से निवेदन है वो कृपया कुर्सी and then
Yeah.
suddenly
Yeah.
the senior
Little bit,
most
little bit, yeah, little bit, yeah.
you know सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है कृपया विमान के रुक जाने तक अपनी कुर्सी पर ही बैठे रहें All the passengers are requested to sit down. All the passengers are requested to sit down.
Then the one-on-one has to, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I told you, sit down.
वो तो बाजू वाली कर ही रही होती है. Sir, sit down. Sir. Please do not open the hat racks. Passengers are requested to sit down. You know, suddenly the
We shouldn't be allowed to fly. Ashwini, we shouldn't be allowed. I'm telling you. It's really, we haven't passed the test
And
to
you
fly.
know, and one more thing, I want to tell everybody. मुझे ऐसा लगता है फ्लाइट में वो लोग जो it's on the tarmac, it's on the runway.
Indians in a hurry.
You know, and they are on the mobile. देश चला रहे हो क्या?
Yeah. And that body language thing, na? When you tell them कि बंद करो sir, they'll be like,
Yeah.
just continue.
देश चला रहे होते हैं मतलब इतना क्या तुमको ये वो व्हाट्सएप ड्राइवर को ही बोलना होता है ना या कोई घर में आलू की सब्जी बना दो.
I think crew deserves medals. For every one flight, they should be compensated 10 times more than the money they get.
And the best part is nowadays, during our time, it wasn't that, you know, how you're supposed to open the emergency exit वगैरह वो सब हम लोग इतना बोलते नहीं थे. अभी तो वो may I have your attention please? Everybody understands English or am I supposed to speak in Hindi? So say English. So then she'll explain, this is the emergency door. And then you pull out the handle, that plastic
Yeah.
cover, remove it and put it on the seat. अभी emergency landing में वो put it on the seat थोड़ी होगा.
No way.
You know, you will be
Yeah,
throwing,
pachak.
probably
Yeah.
hitting somebody, you know. And then pull this red handle and put the door on the seat. And only you will do this when captain or crew would say evacuate, evacuate, evacuate. If you don't, if you remove the lid before you hear the word evacuate, 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 there is a criminal offense or something. So that's very cute. I always listen to them.
What happens if I'm just thinking I've done 2,000 flights and then something happens, they evacuate, and then suddenly, you know, everybody's trying to open it, doesn't open.
Well, evacuate is evacuate.
Oh.
Oxygen mask is different.
Okay.
That will come down
On its own,
according
on
to
its
the
own,
cabin
on-
pressure.
Evacuate, matlab, where do we go?
No, you see if you must have heard this
Yeah.
thing, cabin crew or arm all the doors.
Correct.
So when the moment you put there are different styles, of course, to arm the door. So when you arm the door and you open the door with the arm position, then the slides come out.
Okay.
So you're supposed to slide down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And I escape that way?
Yeah.
But if I'm in
That's
the...
why they show the emergency exits. These are the ones which is the nearest that you should see, flow path lines, and you know that.
What if the wheelchair guy can slide? All good?
No, so that's the reason.
तो क्या बोलेगा अभी?
No,
Wheelchair लाओ?
उसको slide करवाएंगे. मतलब the crew
कैसा?
will take care.
It's an
Crew will pick them up and.
I think this is not going to happen.
Really?
My worry is that...
That's the reason. Usually in one row, according to DGC, I don't know what happens today. You cannot have two wheelchair passengers in one row.
Oh.
Yeah, my parents could not travel sitting next to each other in one row. They had to be आगे पीछे. Emergency exit, you cannot have a wheelchair passenger or
they block
you
it,
know.
yeah.
So only it's called ABP, able-bodied passenger, who can take care of.
One last thing, we have to shut the thing, but one last thing. In such a case, does Murli take his book or his bag?
Bag.
He'll take his bag?
Yeah. Bag.
What's in the bag?
Book.
Ashwini, thank you so much.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो, please.
तमीज से बात करना है ना, important people यार.